excited?
Yes! We're going ziplining! Woo! Jamaica!
With Blip?
There they go.
So I'm here with Blip, and we're at Heaven Sent. So if ever you're in Jamaica, look these guys up, and you can see the screamer going on behind us.
Yeah, we have
Awesome.
we have true rides. We have the leap of faith. We have the runner. And we have the screamer. But actually, the screamer is my favorite. Yeah, it's fun.
What's the best way for someone to get a hold of you?
Actually, Facebook, YouTube, and stuff like that. Yeah, man.
All right.
Heaven Sent Jamaica.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Thanks,
man.
Blip. It was awesome.
Thanks for coming, man. Yeah, man. Yeah,
All right.
Your shopping skill will be tested.
Okay.
How you feeling? Hot! How you feeling? Hot! Hot! How you feeling? Hot! Everybody in the pool! Get in that pool, hey! Push your body. Late to the party! Yeah, right?
We just did Dunn River Falls, and it was awesome. We had the treasure, so when you're on the hike and the guide says, "Are you brave, man?" So that's where I climbed up that part of the waterfall, right up at the top on the right. There's a little cave back there behind the vines. I hid it in there.
Yes, and if you're not super brave and don't want to climb a wall of water in your face, you can go up the left side and then come through the little pond area and you can find it there too. So
Right.
you don't have
Just
to.
remember to bring something, replace it, find something, put it back so someone else can find the treasure. Like and subscribe to our channel and hit the little notification button so you can get all of our videos. And good luck hunting.
Come on.
Hey, man.